Good morning from Hoi An, and I'm at the Carpentry Village out in the countryside just outside Hoi An. Took me about 15 minutes to get here, and this is a working commune devoted to carpentry, various skills including house building, crafts and boat building. So cost like 35,000, which is practically nothing, 50 cents maybe, $1 to actually get in, and that's a ticket office. And then you just walk through the village, and there's places where you can buy crafts, and you can stop by and watch people working with wood and showing their amazing skills. This village has been in existence for I think 500 years, and it's part of the Hoi An UNESCO Creative Heritage program around the world. So it's kind of considered one of the top places for the creative arts, creative crafts. So let's just wander around. There's some beautiful carvings in here. This might be a little bit dark actually, since I don't have it on the night mode. Let me get back outside again. I don't think you're going to be able to see inside, but there's somebody out here actually working. Hello. Very ornate carving going on there. Chisel and hammer. Okay, so I don't really know what to expect here. I think you just walk down, you just walk through the village, and I suppose you get to see various workshops along the way. It's very pretty. A lot of beautiful blossom on the trees. Hello. Yeah, it's a really charming village. There goes a chicken crossing the road. Okay, this is a boat building workshop. Whether I'll see any actual work on the boats, I don't know. We've got a very impressive vegetable garden here though. There's a lot of stuff being grown. Oh, here's a boat being built. Being built or repaired. Yeah, these look like travel boats, cruise boats, pleasure boats for tourists being repaired. This is presumably where they build the new boats. There's nothing new being built, but these boats are being repaired. There's kind of a track here for launching the boats, and there's a workshop there. These look like very old boats being repaired. Hello. Now this is the Han River here, and then the main town, city of Hoi An, is over here. So we're not far away, just over the river, but in the more sort of rural area. So all these boats are being worked on. And according to the sign when I came in, this place has been going since the 1950s with the same owner. Looks like he's got a busy business, a lot of things going on. Of course they're growing their own crops, their own vegetables. I would imagine most of the houses, most of the villagers here do that alongside whatever they're doing in the carpentry business. This is definitely a nation of gardeners. The soil here is very fertile for vegetable growing. In fact, tomorrow I'm going to go to the vegetable village, which is another place you can visit. But it's best to go there really early because they only work early in the morning and late in the afternoon, like at about 5 o'clock or between 7 and 9 or 6 till 9, obviously to escape the heat. Alright, I'm just going to keep on walking here. I'm not entirely sure where I'm going. But it's one of those lovely places you can just wander around and be kind of like part of the village life, see everything that's going on. It's like some welding going on there. Some people are having their breakfast right now. It's about 8 o'clock, I think, maybe 8:30. Don't have a watch on. Oh yeah, here's some more boats being worked on. I don't know if it's with the same company, the same gentleman. It probably is. So there's probably, crikey, 20, 25 boats being worked on in this boatyard. And they're all being repaired by the looks of it. There's the river. Yeah, Hoi An. Over there in the distance. You Okay, I'm going to walk back down to the other side. There's also house building. I think that's on the other side. Hello.
Áp nào chứ Hương.
Little place to grab a coffee, relax. This lady is selling vegetables. Looks like she's selling sweet corn. Yeah, this is really cool. This is really interesting. Hello. Hello. Beautiful colouring on this rooster. Hello. Xin chào.
Xin chào. Chào anh.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Louis. Where you go from here?
I just came down this way. I saw the boat building.
Yeah.
Just coming around here. So. Just
Where you go from?
Oh, I'm from England originally, UK.
England.
Yes.
England.
Yeah.
London.
No, north of England.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, Louis.
Okay. Thank you. Oh wow. Hello.
Happy Buddha.
A very happy Buddha. Yes.
Yeah.
Most of the Buddhas are happy.
Yeah.
I know
Happy
that.
Buddha.
So these are all hand carved.
Yeah.
Wow.
Family.
So your family?
Yeah.
So you do this and all your family?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Smell wood. Menthol. Menthol wood.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Menthol wood. Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of wood is that again?
Menthol.
Okay. Oh, menthol. Yes.
Menthol.
Yes. Menthol. Yeah.
Cedar.
Yeah. You can definitely smell that.
Cedar wood.
And this is cedar. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Very fragrant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And here là rockwood.
Oak.
Rockwood.
Okay.
Yeah, rockwood. Menthol.
And menthol. I've never actually.
Yeah. Menthol.
Wow. Yeah. It does. It smells like it smells like menthol, like
menthol.
like a menthol cough drop.
Menthol wood.
I didn't
Cedar.
realize wood was menthol. That's
Cedar.
and
Cedar
cedar
wood.
down here. Yeah.
Cedar.
Beautiful.
Rồi. Rosewood này.
Yeah.
Đây là cedar wood này. Cedar wood.
Yeah. And some of this is varnished, right? You polish it, varnish it.
Cái này là mà cedar wood.
Yeah.
Happy Buddha.
A happy Buddha in cedar wood.
No smell.
No.
Many no smell.
Okay.
Many.
Yeah. This is a beautiful.
Lady
How long
Buddha.
did this take?
Lady Buddha.
Lady Buddha. How long did that take?
Yeah.
3
Yeah,
3 months? 3 years? 3 months. 3 months. Yeah. Okay. That's like the Lady Buddha in Da Nang.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. 3 months. Wow.
Here, Happy Buddha.
4.5 months.
Yeah.
Okay. Just one person?
Yeah.
Just working on it? Was it you?
Yeah.
You
yeah.
you did
One-
this? Wow.
Here.
Very very
You
cool.
want to try? You want to try?
No, that's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Wow. And this is all carved from one piece of wood.
Yeah.
The work on the hand here is amazing. Very ornate. Very well done. Yeah. Yeah, it's like that.
No.
This one. This one. Got it. Like that. Okay.
Yeah.
And that's a Buddhist
Yeah.
sign. Okay. Absolutely beautiful.
Happy Buddha.
Wow. What is this is rock. Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Hello. Xin chào.
Hội An Carpentry Village.
Oh, you okay?
Carpentry Village.
Is it a pagoda? Okay.
Đây là xem.
Okay. Going to see what the finished version looks like. Looks like he's just doing the design here. Oh wow.
Xem.
Wow.
Xem như thế.
So this is what you're making?
Dạ.
Wow.
Đưa này ha, tu này.
Yeah. Just two pieces of wood together, glued together.
Hội An.
And then this is going to be the, see if I can get that. This is going to be the result. This is what he's actually carving. Wow, that is incredible. Incredible.
Còn đây là
How long will that take?
cái này hả? One minute.
1 month?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Còn đây chéo cái này.
Yeah,
Cái này với cái bảng xiên đó.
yeah. 1 month. Wow, very, very cool. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. Wow, this is very, very interesting. So I think I've seen 3 of the different types of carpentry. I'm assuming that the house building. Oh, I've come round full circle, so I think I've seen it all. This is my motorbike, by the way, for the next 4 weeks. I actually swapped it out from the one they originally gave me because the display here, this is the new one, so this is fine, but the display was kind of cracked and it was hard to see the fuel gauge and the speed and everything. It was just sort of like it had been shattered, so you couldn't really see it. So I told them, I said, look, I think I'd prefer to get a new one, a different one. So yeah, this has been fine. Honda Airblade. There's literally tens of thousands of these bikes cruising around Vietnam. Probably hundreds of thousands, actually. It's probably it's the most popular bike. Honda in general, and for automatics, which that is, the Honda Blade is the bike of choice. Okay, so I think I'm going to walk this way now. Maybe get a bottle of water or a coffee. I believe that there's a shrine or a temple just up here. Here we go, here's another woodworking place. You see here the steps, most of them have this ramp, and it's for the motorbikes to get up. I mean, not here obviously, because they're using this to do woodwork. Hello!
Morning.
Very good. He's actually working on a smaller version of this, the fish, with kind of like the scales as a lattice work. And of course more Buddhas. And here's a market. Little small market with lots of vegetables for sale, fruits. Hello, Sing Tao. No, I'm just looking. Thank you. Hello. Hello. There's a kumquats. Yeah. Okay. Traditional mat weaving. Yeah, this is a fully working, active commune. They've got their own little markets, their own shops, and they've got their own little businesses. There's a traditional yellow hat for Hoi An. And some lanterns there. So even in the countryside you see the lanterns. Alright, I'm going to head back to my bike and go and find somewhere else to explore. I'm on a kind of a route that was given to me by the motorbike company that I rented the bike from, and it's like the Hoi An countryside route, which takes you to various places around Hoi An in the countryside. So I thought I would do that for a couple of hours until it gets a bit too hot, and then I'll duck inside and get some air conditioning and some coffee. It really does pay to get up early in Vietnam. 5:36 along with the locals. It's lovely and cool, and there's a lot to see. All the coffee shops are open and people are out working in the fields and working at whatever they're doing. And then they kind of have a siesta, I think, or they at least close down for a couple of hours in the heat of the day and then reopen at about 3 o'clock or something like that. So you will find restaurants closed at like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock maybe, reopening at 4 or 5. Very much like Mediterranean countries, of course, which is obviously the sensible thing to do if you're living here. Okay, back to my trusty steed and onwards I go. I will be back in touch soon.